So now let me make a drawing for you. We have a wall, and in the wall, make it three-dimensional, there is a window. Yeah, and in this window, let's make this a room, right? Let's make it look like a room, a door, and a picture on the wall, picture of a mountain, the sun over it, some trees or whatever. Enough drawing here. And in this window there is an air conditioning unit. You know, the good old air conditioning unit. We all know them. And what they do is, well, they blow cold air out on this side, and they blow hot air out on this side. Yeah, that's simple. This is how air conditioning operates. But now, if you want to make it into a heat pump, the only thing you have to do is, well, to take this unit, wait till it gets cold outside, you know, with a little snowflakes here falling, and a little snowman appearing here, you know, what the child's make in your garden if you not look. The top hat on it. Yeah, old broom. Carrot nose. Cold buttons. Yeah, winter, right? Yeah, but what you do now is, normally you switch your air conditioning off and turn on a little, or not so little, depending on your little electric heater, warming up your room. But as it is, they need power, right? But what if I tell you that you don't need this thing? Yeah, you can completely get rid of all your heaters, because you will use your air conditioning as a heat pump. The way a heat pump works is quite simple. It works like air conditioning, with a few more wires and hoses inside, you know. So you can switch it over to blow hot air in and cold air out. That's all. Yeah. But now you can just go ahead, you turn your window air conditioning unit around in the window, and now, well, you have it blow hot air in and cold air out. So it does exactly the same thing that a heat pump does. Yeah, and now you know how to make a heat pump. Yeah, a DIY heat pump. And now just, you know, give him a bit of eyes here and finish this little painting. You can like and subscribe, obviously, leave a comment. And if you have one of those window units, it works for RV or whatever, yeah, turn it around and use it as a heater. Because those modern air conditioning units, they are so much more effective than they used to be. Yeah. This is a heat pump, and this is how you DIY it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Now let me put the caps back onto pans so they don't dry out. And that's it. You can test it. Let your heater run for half an hour. See how much what he uses up and how hot it gets in your room. And try the same thing with your turned around air conditioning. And you will see that you save big dollar here. Very big dollar. All the big dollar that make you buy nice and beautiful things, like a new car you always wanted, you know? I don't know. Modern car maybe? Oh, this turns out to look like a smart car, you know. Maybe if you paint it a bit, make the lights red, windows blue, give him here a window as well. Make the car itself obviously a red. You want to have a red sports car. I mean, it doesn't look like a sports car, but you know. Tires got to be black, right? Now you got a car for whatever reason. We can put a bit of yellow snow around the snowman's base. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. As soon as I have a pen in my hand, I start to get a child again. And yeah, this is how it works. If you have any questions, well, that's the comments function. It's somewhere down there, you know, somewhere here, next to the like button. Yeah, that's a like. Here, gotta have a watch. Fingernails, don't forget fingernails, yeah. I did good old child fashion. I obviously don't have skin color, so I just paint the skin some kind of a flashy purple. It looks like a real old comic, doesn't it? Oh yeah, now let's give him a purple pimp suit, right? Obviously a golden bling watch. Yeah, that's it, right? Let's extend his arm just a bit into the car here. Perfect, now he's driving the car. Yeah. Did I just drop one of the pens? Yeah, I did. The blue one. So. Yeah. DIY heat pump. Try it out. If it doesn't work, you can just flip it around again. And talking about flipping it around, I had another idea here. According to the same thing. If you got your window here, like this, you know, like this, and you got your air conditioning in it, here, like this, make it 4-dimensional. Yeah, what you can do is you just put on a piece here. Let's extend the window a bit, that looks a bit closer. So that's the window frame now. so you can make it that it swivels around. You know, turning the whole unit in the frame. Obviously you need a piece of wood attached to it as well, or plexiglass. So this part is obviously swifting with it, right? Yeah. Turning air condition in the window. So you just have to, yeah, make a little leash here that you take out in the summer, winter, and then you turn the thing around. Yeah. Okay, this was long enough.